Watch this detailed chronicle, capturing every phase, involved in constructing a wood-fired cooking area, built strictly by hand, using masonry and earth. This project relied zero on power tools. Deep within the forests of Canada, the builder developed this specific site, known as Common by Dawson, to champion an off-grid lifestyle, far from modern municipal infrastructure. From pouring the initial slab, stay tuned to observe the complete evolution of a classic cooking hearth made outdoors, proving how simple elements combined with patient work can yield a highly efficient, structurally sound, and beautiful design. With the ground cleared, lumber was assembled into a mold. Next, the builders measured, laid out a steel mesh matrix, and trimmed away the excess wire. Wet cement was then shoveled inside and smoothed out to form a flat pad, providing a solid anchor point for the heavy stonework, surrounded by deep woods. Once the boards were stripped away, the crew stacked the initial course of cinder blocks. They leveled each unit carefully, applying thick mortar joints, and utilized a spirit level to maintain plumb. Slowly, raising the support base for the cooking chamber. This one weighs 100 pounds. Working as a team, they built an upper wooden form, arranged the inner steel grid, and trimmed the metal cleanly. They filled this form with concrete next, screeding the top flat, which left them with a squared, heavy countertop ready for the masonry. The framing progressed with horizontal beams, followed by an A-frame roof system. They aligned it carefully with the level, before securing additional wood supports. They prepared timber planks manually, attaching them to serve as sheathing, which made a sturdy deck. Finally, they installed overlapping wooden shingles, creating a weatherproof and classic appearance for the outdoor culinary station. With the platform stable, the mason builds the hearth bed by blending glass bottles, perlite, and cement into a thermal barrier. Directly over this, fire bricks are arranged to create the smooth cooking floor. This dense foundation absorbs heat efficiently, maximizing fuel usage and holding the temperature high. I will lay out these fire bricks, marking the outline for the next. Step right here. Above the flat floor, the inner dome is shaped by molding moist sand into a dense, rounded mound. Using this form as a guide, fire bricks are curved over the sand structure, bonded with high-temperature, refractory mortar. When everything sets up, they shovel the sand out, leaving a hollow, self-supporting arched vault, ready for exterior insulation. Even as cold, wet weather slowed their progress. They pushed forward with the masonry dome, shaving angles onto every fire brick to maintain a tight, uniform arch. Following hours of careful positioning, the final keystones were driven home, locking the masonry structure and completing the main structural hurdle for this rustic bake oven. That looks excellent. Let us set this piece next. Right near the front. We will proceed like that, pressing it down with our feet. With the brick vault complete, the builders combined raw sand and clay, employing an ancient processing method to produce the outer plaster skin. They stomped the materials together thoroughly, modifying the moisture levels and checking the consistency until the mixture became sticky enough to coat the entire brick structure. Excellent. After thorough mixing, the natural earth, sand, and clay achieve the perfect texture, bind and color profile, making it ready for application. An initial insulating jacket, composed of perlite mixed with cement, was applied over the dome to trap heat. Afterward, a final protective layer of clay plaster was smoothed on, using the remaining mud to bulk up. The bottom perimeter, once completely coated, the structure was left to cure slowly before its maiden firing. To finish the workspace, the builder crafted custom side shelving, utilizing pre-cut timber boards. Each shelf was secured into place, providing an organized, clean surface for staging cookware and preparing the dough. After letting the masonry cure, a small fire was built inside. The heat was raised slowly to clear out lingering moisture, before sliding the first pizza onto the hot hearth floor within mere moments. The crust puffed up with beautiful color, blistering perfectly alongside melted cheese, vindicating the extensive labor invested over the past several weeks. Utilizing basic raw elements sourced from the land, they built a highly efficient, traditional earthen hearth, enjoying a wonderful home-cooked meal.